Hi Silem stars, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bead wire work design that you can see on the screen. It can be made with any bead of your choice, and you can also attach it to any dress of your choice. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make it from start to finish, as well as how to attach it to your dress. So if you want to see how we do this, definitely keep on watching.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
I'm using this 0.5 millimeter wire. You can also use 0.7 millimeter wire if you want. So just go to your fabric store and ask them for this wire. And then I'm also using crystal beads as well. You can also use pearls or any other bead. So for the wire, I measure 20 inches. So just measure 20 inches for your wire and cut it. You can use your regular scissors to cut this 0.5 millimeter wire. Now I put in two beads, and then I pull the beads right to the center of the wire. Okay, so I make sure that I am at the center of the wire, and then I'm just going to fold the wire and twist around the beads. So just watch what I'm doing. I twisted around the beads. Okay, now after twisting, you can twist about 6 to 7 to 8 times. Okay, after twisting, you're going to take one of the arms. So after twisting, you now have two arms, the left and the right. So take one of the arms, put in two beads again, and then leave about 0.5 to 0.7 inches, okay, from the end of the other twist. And then go ahead and twist the wire around the beads for this other side. Can you see what I did? Okay, so just watch what I'm doing so you understand. Now after twisting the branch, you want to go ahead and twist the main stem. Remember, we're making vines, or if I can call it, we're making a tree. Okay, so when you have a tree, you have your stem, you have your branches. So after twisting the branch on one arm, you want to go ahead and twist the main stem. Now for the other arm, I put in my beads as well, two beads, left about 0.5 inches, folded the wire, and then I'm twisting the wire around the beads as well. So this creates a new branch. Okay, this creates a new branch. So just keep twisting. Like I said, twist about 6 to 7 times. All right, just so that it is secure. So after twisting the branch, you go ahead and twist the main stem, which is what I just did. Twist the main stem so that there's a distance between the branch you last created and a new branch you want to create. I'm going ahead now again to put another two beads. Make sure to leave about 0.5 inches. Go ahead and twist the wire around the beads, which would create a new branch. Twist about 6 to 7 times, like I said earlier. Okay, after twisting the branch, this is the main stem now. Go ahead and twist the main stem just so that everything is nice and secure. Can you see what it looks like? Very, very easy. Now you can add as many as you want depending on how long you want your tree to get. Okay, so put your beads, leave about 0.5 inches, fold the wire around the beads, and then twist the wire around the beads as well. After twisting the branch, you go ahead and twist the stem. When you're done, you can go ahead and cut it off. This is what it looks like. Can you see? Very, very simple, very easy. You can also use two different colors of beads to create that two-toned effect that you saw at the beginning of the video. Now, if you want it to be very full, you can put 3 or 4 or more together and then twist them together at the stem, at the bottom part there. So can you see what it looks like? You can make this as full as you want. This is one I did. Can you see how full it is? So it depends on the look that you are going for. Now we've looked at how to, you know, make this bead wire works with two beads. Now I'm going to show you how to make it with 4 beads. So just measure your 20 inches wire, put in 4 beads, and make sure that the 4 beads are right at the center of the wire. Fold the wire around the beads and twist just like you did for the previous one. Twist it a couple of times, 6 to 7 times, like I said, or more if you want the distance from one bead to the other to be a bit longer, you can twist it even more. Now take one arm of the wire, put in another 4 beads, leave about zero point 0.5 to 0.7 inches, you know, fold the wire around the beads, twist it a couple of times. Can you see that creates a branch? You take the other, you go ahead and also twist the stem. After twisting the branch you created, twist the stem to secure everything. Take the other arm of your wire, put in your 4 beads, take it down, leave about zero point 0.5 to 0.7 inches, fold the wire around the beads and then twist to create a new branch. After creating the new branch, go ahead and twist the stem. So as you can see, it is the same process whether you're using 4 beads or you're using 2 beads. But whatever you're doing, try to be consistent with the number of beads you're using for each vine or for each tree. So as you can see, I started with 4 beads for this one and I'm using 4 beads all the way to the end. If you're using 2 beads, use 2 beads all the way. You can also use 3 beads, okay? So you just experiment with different numbers of beads to see what exactly you want or to see if it will give you the look that you're going for, okay? So it depends on you, depends on how creative you want to get with the entire process. But this is what the vine looks like. As you can see, this is the one on the left is I used 2 beads, the one on the right I used 4 beads. So you can see that they give different looks. It depends on what you want. For me, I personally prefer the one with 4 beads, but for this client's dress I actually used the one with 2 beads throughout. So I gathered a few of them together, like I showed you. I twisted them at the bottom, and now I'm going to show you how to attach it to your dress. Now, attaching it to your dress is very simple. You can either use a clear thread, so an invisible thread, or you use the exact matching thread for your vine and your dress. So it's simple, just hand sew it. Okay, just go ahead and hand sew it. Now, when you're sewing this with your needle and thread, you have to be careful. You have to literally use your hands to guide the thread. Use your fingers to guide the thread so that it doesn't get stuck on those branches. Because if you just try to sew it normally, the thread is going to get stuck on the branches, the wire, the beads, everything. It gets really messy and annoying. But you just have to do it carefully. And then, can you see what I'm doing? Use your fingers to guide the thread so that it goes straight to the bottom parts, okay, of the stem of the tree, okay. So once you're done with that, what I like to do is I like to open up the tree. Initially when I attached it, it was just straight up, all the beads were facing up, but I like to just spread it out so that it looks fuller, okay. Can you see how I spread it out? When you spread it out like this, it looks way fuller than, when they are all facing one direction. So can you see how it looks? Just take your time and attach it for all of the pieces. And when I was done, this is what it looked like. Can you see how beautiful it is? I also did another dress for another of my clients in the US for her prom, and this is how lovely it turned out. Can you see how beautiful she looks? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.